Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today I wanted to share some very interesting news. Earlier today, Dubai time, we visited one of the large Amazon warehouse facilities, about 48,000 square feet, where they are evaluating a cool roof coating system. As you can see from the picture, the roof has a blue color. It's not extremely dark, but in a place like Dubai with very intense sun, even a slightly darker tones can lead to significant heat buildup. That's why reflectivity becomes so important. I'm excited to say that our SiliconEx 500, with its high reflectivity and performance, is one of the systems we are proposing for this project. It's a great example of how the right coating can make a real difference in hot climates. I'll be sharing more updates and hopefully good news very soon. If you have any questions about cool roof systems or similar projects, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Alright, questions, contact us or comment below. Like it, hit like, want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.